Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I will discuss about how you can change the color of your enroll button, your pricing table, and other options with the help of LifterLMS Lab. So basically, LifterLMS Lab allows you to quickly configure the color schema of LifterLMS with a few simple options. For example, with the LifterLMS Lab, you can change the enroll button color, you can change the progress bar. So first, we need LifterLMS Lab plugin. So if we visit plugins and add new plugin, then in the search box, we have to search for LifterLMS Lab. In this video, we need LifterLMS Lab. That's the reason we are installing it. So from here, we can install LifterLMS Lab. Now we have to activate this plugin. So now if we visit LifterLMS, we will get another option that will be LifterLMS Labs. So here you can see LifterLMS Labs. We have to click on here. With the LifterLMS Lab, you can modify other things as well, but in this video, we will discuss about the color schema. So we have to choose this simple branding. We have also Action Manager, that is a different thing. But for color schema, we need this simple branding option. We have to enable this option from here. So here you can see LifterLMS branding. We have primary color, we have action color, and then we have accent color. So you can modify this color as per your branding. So you can see the primary color is used for mark as complete and continue buttons, borders on the pricing tables and checkout screen. So if I visit my course, you will see this portion is blue, and also the take notes button is also blue. So with this primary color, we can change this portion's color. So if I visit my dashboard again, I want to change this color. So I will change this color from here. So I want maybe a different shade of blue. So I will choose a different shade of blue color. So you can modify this color like this. So if I now save change, and if I visit my page and refresh it, see this color is now different. This is how with the primary action color you can do this. Also, this color will be available on your checkout page. Also, if I visit any, not this one, if I visit any lesson, I will see the mark complete color is also this shade. So if I go over, click on here, you will see this color is now blue. This is how the primary action color works. Also, the checkout screen will reflect this color as well. So we have now action color. So action, basically the enroll button or the enroll button color. So if I visit my course, so here you can see this orange color. So this is the action color. So if we change this color, maybe I will select green. Now if I click on save, so this will change my enroll color button color. So this is the background color of enroll button. So also we have progress bar option, that is basically accent color. So you can see it's a pink shade. So we can modify this progress bar color as well. So if we change this color, so I'll change it to purple. So if I save, so now if I refresh it, so now progress button will be purple color. So this progress bar will be purple color now. So this is how LifterLMS Lab works. You can manage your branding color with it. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.